on guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, guess what? If you're a business owner like me, then you want quality leads. Have you ever thought about generating leads using Google Maps? Well, guess what? With Lead Sniper, you can do just that for either a free trial or a one-time fee, and you get the software for life. So guys, let's check out Lead Sniper right now.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Now we're talking about another lead scraper software today. Welcome to Octoparse Google Maps Scraper. And this is an excellent Google Places API alternative which easily scrapes data such as names, contact info, ratings, geological locations. You guys get the idea. Images, reviews, all that kind of cool stuff. And you can try it for free, so this is pretty cool. You can try it for free. Now, as you can see, it does do Google Maps like all the most recent map scrapers, lead scrapers, if you will. And you can have a really good time with these. You know, you can sit back, relax, but you have to have the right software because some of these are going to give you more details than other ones. This one, for example, does have some good details. It does scrape a fair amount of leads with fair amounts of detail. They got a lot of data here to tell you how good the software is. I mean, yeah, this is pretty cool. What type of data do you get? Well, you get all of this when you use this software, which is pretty cool. They talk about other Google Maps scrapers that meet your needs, right? Well, that's pretty cool. It also has a Google Maps email finder and all that kind of cool stuff, and you can get data and all that. But the most important thing you might be asking, well, are there any hidden fees and what is the price? Because I know I don't like paying monthly. I don't know about you. I'm sure you don't like paying monthly. Now you can compare plans right here. Octoparse premium pricing and packaging, 5-day money-back guarantee. So they have the free plan and they have the $99 a month plan, which gets you all these extended features. But what if there was a better program out there where you didn't have to pay monthly? Well, I want to introduce you to Lead Sniper. That's right, Lead Sniper, the powerful Google Maps scraper that gives you all the power in one tool with very intuitive, streamlined design that gets you leads in seconds, leads that you are going to love based on location. That's right. And you can't go wrong. And guess what? You get it either with a free trial, which you can check it out, see how well it works. You got friends that are doing it. Maybe they've told you about Lead Sniper. Maybe you're here for the first time exploring Lead Sniper. But guess what? It's easy to use, super user-friendly. You get 24-hour customer support, one-time fee of $149 or the free trial. And if you pay, you get the software for life. One-time payment, unlimited leads, and all these other cool features, and 24-hour technical support. Now you have over 12,000 happy customers. You can see all the comprehensive data here with 17 million places, 17 million phone numbers, 2 million emails, all that kind of cool stuff. And it has integrated features built right into the software, super easy to use. And you don't got to be some crazy tech whiz that majored in computer science in university to use this software. Very easy, very quick to use. And the best part about it, you're going to save time. That's the best part about it because everybody needs more time. If you're a business owner, you know that you want to set some software to scrape leads for you and bang, bang, boom, boom. You want to get it done all at once. This software does just that. And you're going to get comprehensive data reports that give you all the details, as you can see on the screen here, that you need for each lead. It's absolutely amazing. All right, let's watch the software go right now. So you're going to come up here to this box and you're going to type in plumbers in Paris or plumbers in Canes. Doesn't really matter. Wherever you want to search, anywhere in the world, bang, hit start, bang, hit start, and you can see they both go to work. All you got to do is sit back, grab a coffee, and watch the magic happen, or maybe get that supper started, or maybe you got something else going. But anyway, this is going to save you time and money. Just sit back, watch it go. Look at the leads that it's scraping. You got 1,644 on that one and 1,142 over there, and you can download a CSV or XLSX file, but we're gonna do Google Sheets because it's easier. Everybody's using Google these days and it's super seamless. Bang, you hit download. We're gonna open one on this side. Boom, drag and drop. You click over here, grab it, boom, drag and drop, and look at this. It's going to open up these amazing Google Sheets. Look at the detail. You have the business name, you have the phone number, you have the address, you have the website domain, but you also have an extensive list of emails, and the amount of emails it's going to generate will blow your mind. My mind's blown using this software. It has been an amazing experience. I absolutely love it. And the amount of detail that it goes into, no other lead scraper on the internet is doing this right now. Lead Sniper has the edge. For all the leads in whatever business that you want to scrape leads from, Lead Sniper has you covered, everybody.
Wasn't that an awesome demonstration of how Lead Sniper can help you get quality leads for your business? Get Lead Sniper today and generate thousands of quality leads in seconds for a free trial or that one-time payment. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.